I'm going to share the Sell or Be Sold. So it is a continuation. So I'm reading that book. I really want to share the knowledge to everyone. That is why on everyday basis I'm sharing my takeaways from the book Sell or Be Sold from Grant Cardone. So yesterday I talked about 5 professional commitments by sales executive or sales engineer. There are totally 15 commitments by sales profession is explained by Grant Cardone in the book. So yesterday I talked about 5 and today I'll be talking about the next 5. So the sixth commitment is commit taking opportunity all the way, every day, every time. That means wherever there is an opportunity, you have to grab it like anything. Every time, every day, everywhere. So wherever there is an opportunity, you just grab the opportunity and don't miss or lose the opportunity. That is the sixth commitment. And the seventh commitment is commit following up on opportunity. Call or visit, you have to take to the next level. So, what it says here is you have to commit on your follow up, whether it may be call or it may be visit, but you should ensure that you're taking the follow up to the next level. So today, if you're making a call, for example, you've already submit the offer to customer and you're making a follow-up call that whether the offer is okay or not. So you should ensure that you are taking it to the next level. That means, okay, whether the price is okay with customer, the technical specification is okay to customer. If he confirms either one of this, that means you're taking to the next level. So always we should ensure whatever follow up, because I also give very much importance in following up with customer. Whatever you visit customer initial stage, whatever prospect you gained, whatever inquiry you received, but until unless you do the follow up, close follow up to customer, then it is very difficult to win the sale. So here Grant Cardone says the same. So you have to always do the follow-up call or visit, and you should ensure that the follow-up is going to take you to the next level. That is seventh commitment. And the eighth commitment is commit highly ethical every area of your life. So this is my favorite point. Ethical is very important in sales. That will take you to the next level. You know, for example, I my policy is, if you sell one product to end customer, and you have given the inquiry to your distributor, always I ensure that that distributor is going to handle that particular account, whether it may be one product I'm selling or 100 or 1,000. Tomorrow the same account is going to expand in a bigger way, but still I ensure, since initial days the distributor is handled ex customer, I ensure every time that account should be handled by them, because I've seen there are some other principles what they do. Initial stage, like small inquiries and all, they give it to distributor, and the same customer, if he started giving a big orders, they will take it directly, which is not ethical. So we should ensure that we should follow ethical in sales. Like whatever inquiries, once you forward to one particular distributor, one particular account, ensure they are going to take care, irrespective of the quantity, irrespective of the business, because that builds up the trust and transparency between the distributor and principal. If you do unethical things, then distributor will not feel like sharing his customer base or sharing his new opportunity or new order, because he will always have a doubt that um, you are going to get this order or get this account directly. So that is why they will not share anything transparent. If you are unethical, then you are going to lose the distributor's trust. Okay, that is about eighth commitment. And the ninth commitment is commit making changes wherever it is necessary. Like, for example, everywhere there will be some changes. You need to adopt to the changes. So wherever there is a necessity that you have to change, you have to adopt and change. So that is what it says. Commit making changes wherever it is necessary. Like for example, you have a kind of a visit report made to your sales team, and maybe the report is not good, or you're not getting a proper answers from the report what you expect to get. So you can always change the visit report. This is one example. Like this, wherever there is a changes are necessary, you can always modify and do it. And the 10th commitment is commit educating yourself every day. It means you should always have a commitment that you are educating yourself every day. This is also a very good point. Being a sales engineer or a sales executive, you should always be in the knowledge. You should always be in the mm, gaining information, gaining knowledge, reading sales related book, or listening some audio or YouTube. That is why I want to share my sales knowledge or experience so that others will get some knowledge out of it. So being in sales, you should always update yourself by learning so many things, by educating yourself every day. So this is the 6th to 10th commitment. Tomorrow I will be talking about 11th to 15th commitment. I will just summarize. Commit taking opportunity all the way, every day, every time. Commit following up on opportunity, call or visit. You have to take to the next level. Commit highly ethical every area of your life. Commit making changes wherever it's necessary. Commit educating yourself every day. So if you want to join in our WhatsApp group, because every day we add value, I share the knowledge or some suggested books or global leaders' speech, interviews, everything I share in WhatsApp group, even some of the question answers we talk related to sales. So if you want to join in our sales group, you can just put a comment that join me. Thank you. Bye.